Now the last question of exercise 4.3, that is 11th one. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Sum of the areas of two squares, that means two squares are there. Their areas sum is equal 468 meter square. Then difference of their perimeters is 24 meter. Then find the sides of the two squares. Okay. So here we want to decide which is the greatest or larger square and which is the smaller, which is the smallest, which is the largest square and which is the smallest. That we should decide first, because in the question it is given as difference. Okay, in the case of difference we should decide that first. So here first of all we can take, let the sides of two squares as x meter and y meter. Then sum of the areas means x square plus y square. That means area of a square is side into side. That means side square. So here x square plus y square equal 468. Okay, then we can decide which will be greater, which will be the greatest and which will be the smallest. So here I select x. The square with the side x is larger than the other. Okay, so here difference of perimeters is given as 24 meter. That means what is the perimeter of a square? 4 into side. So 4x and 4y are the perimeters. So here the biggest one will be 4x. So we can write that order, 4x minus 4y equal 24. But in the first case sum, so there is no problem, any order we can write. But difference case, greatest minus smallest. So 4x minus 4y equal 24. Then the three terms have 4 as the common factor. So we can divide all the terms by 4. So we get the simplified form, x minus y equal 6. So y equal what? X minus 6. Y equal x minus 6. Or you can write x equal 6 plus y. Anyway we can write, if we write y equal x minus 6, then we substitute the value of y as x minus 6 in the equation 1. So x square plus y square equal 468 become x square plus x minus 6 whole square equal 468. Then we get the equation as x square plus 36 minus 12x. That means a minus b the whole square. Okay, then we can write or combine the like terms and simplify. Then you will get 2x square minus 12x minus 432 equals 0. Then all the terms have the common factor. So we can simplify the equation by dividing them by 2. So we got the equation as x square minus 6x minus 216 equals 0. Then here also I use the splitting the middle term method. So here I want to get product as negative 216 and difference as 6. Bigger number will be negative, smaller will be positive. Okay, so which are the two numbers? Product 216 and difference 6, that are 18 and 12. If you have any confusion there, the method is not mentioned, so you can apply the quadratic formula also. Okay, so here 18 and 12 are the two numbers. So 18 have negative symbol and 12 have positive. So x square minus 18x plus 12x minus 216 equal 0. Then take the common factor outside. Then you will get x minus 18 into x plus 12 equals 0. You should write all the steps. Okay. Now x minus 18 0 or x plus 12 0. So x equal 18 or x equal negative 12. Here what we take as x? Here we take the side of the square as x. So the measure should be positive, cannot be negative. So here x equal negative 12 can be rejected and the acceptable value of x is 18. That means sides of the squares are x equal 18 and y equal x minus 6, that is 18 minus 6, that is equal 12. So anyway, the sides of two squares are 18 meter and 12 meter. So dear children, we can conclude our today's session now. Tomorrow there is no maths class. So here we discussed 6 questions. That all you want to do and study properly and copy the notes, write the notes properly and study well. So thank you. Have a nice day.